Hey Twinkle Stars, welcome back. If you are new here, you are rolling with being Queen B. On today's video, I am going to show you how to wear this Dera that I am wearing today, and at the same time, because I don't want people coming for me, I am going to tell you the origin of the Dera and everything that you need to know about Dera. So I had to fix my lips because they were not giving me the vibe that I was looking for. So let's continue. I was on Facebook the other day when I wanted to do this, so I was looking for different styles because the styles that I have are like only 5 of them. So I was going to look for more styles, and I found this post that was talking about Dera styles, and the girl claimed that it was a Swahili dress. We all claim to it to be a Swahili dress. We don't know whether it's a Swahili or non-Swahili dress. So people came at her claiming it's an Ethiopian. The Dera is originated from Ethiopia. Well, I also had to do my digging, and I came about this post that claims that it originated from Yemen, and they were worn by women during laundry. And when they would go out, they would put on bui on top of this. So it was a very light material. Though these days we've graduated to having like a heavy material that's not a see-through, and we can wear it to the street. So I'm here to show you how to rock this, and let's get into the video like right now.